Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Hoque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am here to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is Statistics Part 2. In this class, today I will solve a creative question. Let us see the question at first. Here, runs of the 30 innings of a cricketer are 67, 52, 68, 59, 56, 43, 46, 54, 59, 70, 63, 48, 56, 49, 68, 71, 57, 52, 73, 49, 51, 52, 48, 53, 58, 61, 60, 42, 45 and 44. These are the runs of a cricketer of 30 innings. Our first question A. Determine the number of classes with 5 as class interval. Question B. Determine the arithmetic mean of the given data. Question C. Draw the histogram of the given data. Let us solve the question. First question A. Question A is determine the number of classes with 5 as class interval. To determine the number of classes, at first we have to find the range of the given data. To find the range, we need the greatest number and smallest number. From this data, we have to find out. Here, 67, 52. 67 is greater, 68. So, 68 is greater. Now, 59 is smaller, 56 is smaller, 43 is smaller, 46 is smaller, 54 is smaller, 59 is smaller, 70. 70 is greater now from 68. Okay, now 70. 63 is smaller, 48 is smaller, 56 smaller, 49 smaller, 68 smaller, 71. 71 is greater than 70. Now 57, 52, 73. This 73 is greater than 71. 49, 51, 52, 48, 53, 58, 61, 60, 42, 45, 44. These are smaller than 73. So we can say highest number is 73. Highest number is 73. Lowest number is. Now we have to observe what is the lowest number. 67, 52. 52 is lowest. 68, 59, 56, 43. 43 is lowest than 52. 43. Now 46, 54, 59, 70, 63, 48, 56, 49. 68, 71, 52, 50, 57, 52, 73, 49, 51, 52, 48, 53, 58, 61, 60, 42, 42 is smaller than 43. Now 45, 44. So we can say lowest number is 42. We know range. We know range equal to highest number plus minus lowest number. Plus 1. This is the formula of determining the range. Here highest number is 73, lowest number is 42. If we subtract then add 1, we will get, after subtraction we will get 1, 3. 31 plus 1, that means 32. To find the number of classes, we have to divide the range by the class interval. Here the class interval is given 5. So we can write given class interval is 5. Therefore, number of classes equal to, we have to divide the range by the class interval. So put the value, range is 32 and class interval is 5 here. So divide 32 by 5. We will get here 5 6 are 30. Now 2 left, take the decimal 0, 4 times 5 4s are 20. So you can say 6.4. This is equal to 6.4. But the number of classes cannot be a decimal fraction. So we can take the next integer, that is 7. So we can say the number of classes will be 7. It means that if we take 5s class interval and make a frequency distribution table taking 5s class interval, number of classes will be 7. Okay, I think this is the answer of question A. Now we will solve question B. Question B now. Determine the arithmetic mean of the given data. To determine the arithmetic mean of the given data, we have to prepare a frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table is given below. Okay, now frequency distribution table. We need to prepare 7 classes. Here first one is class interval. Second one is mid value. Third one is, we can denote mid value as xi, tally. And next one is frequency. We can denote this by fi. Then the last column is product of fi and xi. Now 7 classes will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we can write the classes now. As our lowest number is 42. So we can start from 41, and as class interval is 5, so we have to go up to 5 from 41. We can write here 45. Class interval will be 5 here. So this class will be started at 46 and finish at 50. Now this one 51 to 55, then 56 to 60, then 61 to 65, then 66 to 70, here from 71 to 75. Our highest data is 73. So we can say 73 is included in the last class. So our class interval done. Now we have to find the mid value. How can we find the mid value? Mid value means average of highest and lowest of each class. So if we add 41 and 45, we will get the sum. 5 and 1 is 6, 4, 4, 8. Now if we divide this by 2, we will get the mid value. If we divide 86 by 2, we will get 43. So our mid value will be 43. Now the mid value for the second class is just 5 will increase, as 5 is the class interval. So this will be 48. So this will be 53. Every time we have to add 5. Now 58. Then 63. 68. Then last one is 73. Now we have to give the tally mark. To give the tally mark, we must use the data. For each data, we will give one tally. First one is 67. 67 is in this class, so we have to give a tally here. 52. 52 is in this class, so we have to give a tally mark here. 68. 68 is in this class. Then 59. 59 is in this class. Then 56. 56 is also in this class. 43, we can write here 43. 46. 46 is here. 54, here is 54. 59, in this class there will be 59. 70, 70 will be in this class. 63, 63 is in this class. 48, 48 will be in the second class. 56, 56 will be in this class. 49, 49 will be in this class. 68, 68 is in this class. 71, 71 is in the last class. 57, 57 will be in this class. Here is 4 tally given, so this one we have to give in this way. Now 52, 52 will be in this class. 73, 73 will be in the last class. 49, 49 will be in this class. 51, 51 will be in this class. 52, 52 also will be in this class. 48, 48 is here. 53, 53 is here. 58, 58 is here. 61, 61 is here. 60, 60 is here. 42 in the first class, 45 in the first class, 44 in the first class. So you can write here frequency counting the tally, 4 tallies here, 4, this one 5, this one 6, this one 7, this one 2, this one 4 and this one 2. Total will be n, that is 4, 5, 9, 6, 15, 15 and 7, 22, 22 and 2, 24, 24 and 4, 28 and 2, that is 30. So total 30 is here. Now we have to fill up this column, product of Fi xi. Now we have to take the product. Now multiply 43 by 4, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16 and 1, 17. Now 48 we have to multiply by 5, 5 8s are 4, 5 8s are 40, so 0 here, 5 4s are 20 and 4, 20, 5 4s are 20 and 4, 24. Now we have to multiply 53 by 6, 6 3s are 18, 8, 1 left, 5 6 are 30 and 1, 31. Now we have to multiply 58 by 7, 7 8s are 56, 6, 5 left, 7 5s are 35 and 5, that is 40. Now we have to multiply 63 by 2, 2 3s are 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Now we have to multiply by 4, 4 8s are 32, 3 left, 6 4s are 24 and 3, 27. Now last one, 73 we have to multiply by 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. If we find the sum of Fi xi, this sign is known as summation. Summation of Fi xi will be, if we add all this, we will get 1680. Now we have to determine the arithmetic mean. So we have to write the formula to determine the arithmetic mean. We know arithmetic mean. We know the formula, summation of Fi xi divided by n. Here put the value, summation of Fi xi means 1680. Now we have to divide by 30. Now I will show the division here. We can simplify this, 1680 divided by 30, we can cut 0. Now we can divide this by 3. If we divide this by 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 left, 18. So we can say 3 6 are 18, 56. So we can say our required arithmetic mean is 56. This is our required answer for question B. Now I have to solve question C. To solve question C, we need the frequency distribution table. We need the frequency distribution table. But that is little bit different from the mean table. To draw the histogram, we need the continuous data, but this data is not continuous, this is discontinuous data. So at first we have to prepare the continuous class interval. So we can change this for C. You must prepare a separate distribution table for C. You must prepare. Here should be continuous class interval. So we have to prepare continuous class interval at first here. Frequency and this class we have taken from B. Now prepare the continuous class interval at first. The technique for preparing the continuous class interval is, at first we have to subtract the lowest number of second class from the highest number of first class. If we subtract the highest number of first class from the lowest number of second class, we will get the difference is 1. Now we have to divide this difference by 2. So we have to divide 1 by 2, we will get 0.5. To make the continuous class interval, always we have to subtract this 0.5 from the lowest numbers, and we have to add this 0.5 with the highest number. So continuous class interval will be, if we subtract 0.5 from 41, we will get 40.5. This will be the smallest number of first class. And highest number of first class will be, we have to add 0.5 with 45. This will be 45.5. So we can write here 45.5. In this way we will get all the continuous class intervals. This will be 45.5. This will be 50.5. Now 50.5, 55.5, 55.5, 60.5, 60.5 to 65.5, then 65.5 to 70.5. Now 70.5 to 75.5. This is our continuous class interval. Now we can draw the histogram using the continuous class interval and frequency. Okay, let us draw the histogram. To draw the histogram, at first we have to consider two axes. One is horizontal axis and another is vertical axis. This is horizontal axis and this is vertical axis. This horizontal axis we can denote by x, o, x dash, and vertical axis we can denote by y, o, y dash. These two axes intersect each other at O. This O is known as origin. Here the value of both axes is 0 here. Now we have to indicate the class interval along x-axis. And we have to indicate the frequency along y-axis. Now indicate the points here. Suppose here is 40.5, here is 45.5, here is 50.5, here is 55.5, here is 60.5, here is 65.5, here is 70.5, here is 75.5. Okay, now we have shown the class interval here. This portion we have to denote in this way, as here is 0, but we are starting from 40.5. This portion indicates we have folded the graph papers here. We have folded the graph papers here from 0 to 40.5. We have folded the paper here. Okay, now let us draw the histogram. For the first class, I have shown the class interval, and now the frequency is 4. Frequency is 4. So we have to move 4 smallest square above along y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to move up to this. So we can draw a rectangle here. This rectangle is for our first class. Now we have to draw another rectangle for the second class. To draw this, we will go to the second class and we have to see the frequency. Frequency is 5. So we have to move 5 smallest square along y-axis. This is the rectangle for the second class. Now we have to draw a rectangle for the third class. Here frequency is 6. So we have to indicate 6 along y-axis. This is the rectangle for the third class. In this way, we can draw all the rectangles for all classes. Now 7, for 7, we can draw this rectangle. Now 2, frequency is 2. So we have to go up to 2. 1, 2. This is the rectangle for the class 65.5 to 60.5 to 65.5. Now 4. This is the rectangle for the class 65.5 to 70.5. Now the last class. This is 2. Frequency is 2. So this is the rectangle for the last class. This is our required histogram. Now I will write the description of drawing the histogram. Considering one unit of class interval of continuous class interval equal to length of one smallest square of graph paper along x-axis and 1 unit of frequency equal to length of one smallest square of graph paper along y-axis. Here I have shown some broken part here, so you can write the broken part or the broken segments. From origin to 40.5 along x-axis of x-axis indicate that the previous continuous class interval, of the given data. Dear students, I hope all of you have understood today's topic. Do this as your HW in your HW copy. Submit your HW on next Sunday and collect your previous HW copy on that day. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Allah Hafiz.